If you want your hair to grow, continue watching this video. So a few tips that I have when it comes to growing my natural hair that I've used to get my hair to grow from this to exactly what I have on my hair now would be protective styling. There are many forms of protective styles that you can go for, such as braids, locks are a protective style if you didn't know, but also what I have in my head is two-strand twist. So I got my two-strand twist a couple weeks ago, so they're still pretty fresh. But the reason why you want to go ahead and get styles that protect your hair is because of length retention. Now, here's the thing that most people have a misconception of when it comes to growing your natural hair is actually how long they should wear their protective styles. When you wear your protective styles, you want to go between about 2 to no more than a month and a half, 2 months. You don't want to go no further than that, especially if you have your hair under wigs or just in general, because your hair can actually start to break off at the ends. We all know that hair grows from the root and it gets longer because healthy hair grows. Protective style are your length retention styles, right? Moisturize your hair, retain length, trim those ends regularly. You will retain length. Continue to get those protective styles that you need: two-strand twist, braid styles, locks. Those styles will make your hair manageable. Those styles will make your hair easy to use. And of course, they're just very, very nice to look at. Never, like I said, never fear Reggie's here. Follow more. Thanks.